Hey 6th grade, this is Module 6, Day 2, May 12th, Literacy Classwork. For your Do Now, read the story of Joe Newman, a 107-year-old man from Florida who survived both the Spanish flu and the Great Depression and is still alive today during the time of COVID-19. When you're done reading his story, reflect on what we can learn from Mr. Newman's experiences. When you're done with your Do Now, you'll read some excerpts about a girls' robotics team from Afghanistan that is building ventilators for their community, as well as some similarities and differences between the pandemics of 1918 and 2020. As you look at each question, make sure to use the sentence stems that are provided and check the right-hand margins for definitions of vocabulary words provided for you, as well as optional videos that you may be interested in watching. Remember, you can highlight words and phrases in Actively Learn and have them read aloud, translated, or defined for you. When you're finished, you have a mastery check in Edulastic. It's titled DL Module 1 MC Week 6. As always, message us for help, do your best, and have a great day.